Let's try to see the Jollibee. Upo naman ng batang to. Nakaupo na first time sa Jollibee. First time po sa Jollibee. Ikot pa. Ayan na. Let's wait for the Jollibee. Are you excited, guys?
It's try.
Hi! That's our order.
Mami, did you buy a bucket?
Come here. Ayan, tara. Ayan na, dito ka. Dito. Hayaan mo. Come here.
This one is ours.
Hi, Jollibee boy.
Ours was ours. Yeah, look at that.
Hi. Thank you. Okay.
Balik na pala doon.
We're Jollibee good. No, don't say the word. Happy birthday, Pauline. Remember, we experienced a Jollibee. Umalis agad. Wala ba yung isa?
Kalabasa, muli kalabasa doon.
Wow.